Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Black Kitchen Faucet with Soap Dispenser, a versatile and stylish addition to any modern kitchen. Standing at an impressive 15 3/8 inches tall, this high-arc faucet not only allows for more space in your sink but also comes with a 3-function sprayer to tackle all your kitchen tasks. Whether you're in stream mode for daily cleaning, using the spray for rinsing, or employing the dual aqua-blade to rinse out tough stains, this faucet has you covered. Installation is a breeze with included accessories, making it easy to set up in single or 3-hole sinks without the need for a plumber. The 360-degree rotatable spout and 30-inch retractable hose offer unparalleled flexibility, perfect for any kitchen setting, including RVs and farmhouses. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel, this faucet is not only anti-rust and anti-corrosion but also lead-free and CUPC certified, ensuring safety and durability. Plus, its finish resists fingerprints and water spots, keeping your kitchen looking pristine with minimal effort. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.